Black sand, white foam, and a coastline that feels like it belongs to another world. This is Iceland from above. We're soaring over Reynisfjara, a place where the raw power of the North Atlantic meets the volcanic heart of the island. The landscape is a stark, monochromatic masterpiece, painted in shades of black, white, and gray. It's a sight that immediately quiets the mind and awakens a sense of profound wonder. From this vantage point, the ocean's energy becomes a form of art. Watch how the waves explode into intricate, repeating patterns of foam, like delicate lace spreading across black velvet. Each surge is a unique creation, a fleeting design that exists for only a moment before being washed away and replaced by the next. The shoreline curves like a stroke of ink on paper, a constantly shifting boundary between the solid land and the relentless sea. The dark volcanic sand, a legacy of ancient eruptions, makes every splash of white water look brighter and sharper. This isn't the soft, golden sand of a tropical paradise. It's coarse, heavy, and born from fire. It's the ground-down remnant of basalt lava, cooled and shattered by the frigid ocean over millennia. You can also see the immense power hidden beneath the surface, the subtle channels of rip currents pulling water back with formidable strength, a reminder that this beauty is wild and untamed. This dramatic coastline is a geology lesson written in stone. According to local legend, these towering sea stacks, known as Reynisdrangar, are trolls who were turned to stone by the rising sun. The scientific explanation is just as magical. They are weathered remnants of a volcanic cliff, slowly eroded by the sea. Nearby, the cliffs of Reynisfjall reveal their own secret. Stunning hexagonal basalt columns formed as lava cooled and contracted, creating a natural cathedral of geometric perfection. The weather here is a character in itself, constantly changing the mood of the landscape. One moment, brooding storm clouds gather, casting the beach in an ominous, dramatic shadow. The air grows heavy and the world feels closed in and intense. Then, just as quickly, a break in the clouds allows a single beam of sunlight to pierce through, transforming the scene. The wet sand glitters like a million black diamonds, and the ocean shifts from slate gray to a deep, cold blue. While beautiful from above, it's crucial to understand the dangers on the ground. The waves at Reynisfjara are notoriously powerful and unpredictable. So-called sneaker waves can appear without warning, surging much further up the shore than expected with incredible force. It's a place that demands respect. Visitors are always warned to never turn their back on the ocean and to maintain a safe distance, appreciating its power from afar. From the sky, you can see nature's contrast at full volume. It's a symphony of elemental forces, fire, water, and earth, creating a beach that looks impossible, but is completely, breathtakingly real. This is a landscape that feels ancient and alive, a place that reminds us of the planet's raw, creative power. If this otherworldly view has captured your imagination, show your appreciation by liking the video. For more journeys to the world's most incredible destinations, subscribe to Bird's Eye Travel. We're dedicated to bringing you a perspective you can't get anywhere else. And now we want to hear from you. After seeing its wild beauty and learning of its power, would you visit this beach that looks like it could be on the moon? Let us know in the comments with a simple yes or no.